questions, any certification questions in Azure DevOps, that is AZ 400. That is totally open source DevOps. Jenkins, how we have created build pipeline, right? Yes or no? Using Azure DevOps, we are creating build pipeline using YAML file. So coming to here, Jenkins is a open source build server. I can call it as open source build server, and it helps us to build project code. So maximum 99% Jenkins server we will use to process Java applications, guys. Mostly
Yes,
Java
sir.
people, to build the applications, they will use Jenkins. Okay, so still have a look. So for .NET applications remaining Terraform under, okay, we will use our Azure DevOps itself. What is the secret of what is the secret behind of Jenkins? Is that is the open source costless, am I right? But installation and configuration of the Jenkins, configure the master slave record in on premises. It is very big headache. Okay, so I seen that. What is that? That headache. Yeah, we observed when I was working in FCA, Fiat and Chrysler Automobile. I worked in one Fiat project. There, people used that Jenkins. Okay, they are unable to resolve those solutions. That is totally open source. Now, have a look. What is Jenkins? Okay, so simply we can say Jenkins is what? Open source. Let's see, it is giving something. We'll go for Copilot of Azure. Okay, yeah, let it. Okay, yeah, see. So Jenkins is a open source automation server that allows the developer build, test, deploy software. It is written in Java. What is that? It is written in Java and runs serverless containers like Apache Tomcat. Okay, so Jenkins, yeah, Jenkins, okay, enables continuous integration. Okay, automation, various stages of software development. It has a number of plugins and add-ins that you have to install. Okay, that's what I said. Mostly 99% people they will use to manage what is that? Jenkins DevOps tool to process bill and release pipeline. So can't we process Java application using our Azure DevOps? Yes or no? Can I create build and release pipeline for Java application in Azure? Yes, same funda,
Yes,
guys.
sir.
Okay, so there is a code. Write the YAML file. Automatically, it will generate add required things and deploy that into where is that? Azure App Services. In Azure App Services, already I shown you. Okay, in Azure App Services, we can create one Java application. Go ahead and use Java Web App. See, there is a runtime stack, right? Create. Now, if I go for dev.azure.com, okay, create one application with what is that? Azure Java application, okay, app services. Next here, when I go and add in release pipeline, for example, create new pipeline. Okay, here you can go ahead and use uh, see Azure Web App for Java. That is the template you have to use. Then directly you can process build and release pipeline using Java. So that is the uh, difference between Jenkins and Azure DevOps. Now, Microsoft directly given inbuilt Jenkins servers they have installed on top of Linux machine. Okay, now just go to all services, or else there is a marketplace. Where is that? Okay, there is a marketplace. Just go there, type Jenkins. Okay, see. So they have installed Jenkins on CentOS. Okay, Jenkins on plugins, build and deploy automation servers. This is Nillis. Okay, and Jenkins on Windows Server 2022 and this one. Okay, so they are getting inbuilt. Now create it. Okay, yeah. Now my Jenkins server. Okay, my Jenkins 01. Now cloud admin. Point at the rate of 1, 2, 3. Point at the rate of 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, use it. Now hit on review plus created. Okay, yeah. Uh, Validation. Casting some payment instruction. Okay, unknown payment instruction. They are not supporting offer. Okay, so this server, my subscription is not supporting. Okay, let us go for Linux. Why? Because Linux open source, right? It should support. Go to marketplace, Jenkins. Now get AI generated suggestion for your search. All suggestions. Okay, see. So there is a what? Bitnami package for Jenkins. You know, right? Bitnami. Have you heard about it? Bitnami anytime? Bitnami.
No, sir.
Okay, Bitnami is one company which will give some integrated package. So what they are doing now? they will create virtual machine with a pre-installed Jenkins server. Like that, these are marketplace. That is how they are providing nowadays. Now I am selecting Bitnami package. Okay, see, create Jenkins server, create. Go back. It is giving some operations. Okay, yeah, create. So backend, it will take Linux machine. Okay, see image, Bitnami package, Linux machine. Okay, now I am taking infrastructure redundancy. Okay, PWC.NET hyphen Java, Jenkins hyphen web server 0. Yeah, password. This is the Linux machine, guys. Okay, yeah. So by default, they will give Ubuntu itself, cloud admin, SharePoint at the rate of 1234.
Cloud admin wrong, so spell.
Sorry.
Cloud admin spelling is wrong.
Yeah, next, next, next. Okay, create. See guys, Copilot, they are integrating with Azure. Simplify operations management, cloud edge AI comparison. New feature, it is in preview. For already premium customers, they are issuing guys. Okay. So you can expect one Copilot. What is that? One logo here. Okay. Yeah. Now let it be. Yeah, it is created. Okay. Still it is creating. Yeah, it has been created. Okay, so the Bitnami people they are using background. What is the operating system? Divine. Okay, there are different flavors of Linux, as I said. Am I right, guys? Okay, now they are using Divine 11 version. Now this is the IP. Go to what is that? Putty. Okay, or else we will go for mobile extreme. 'Okay, SHS, paste it. Okay, accept cloud admin. SharePoint at the rate of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. .92, right? Okay. Okay, I am going to reset the password. SharePoint.
The username is wrong, sir.
Sorry.
Username, cloud admin. You made it cloud admin.
Yeah. Just it is loading for ID. Copy, paste it. LOU. SharePoint at the rate of 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, it is accept. Okay. See, this is the Bitnami. Okay, now clear the window. Sudo SCY. Okay, now Jenkins. Now you should able to access the server from outside Jenkins portal. There would be a Jenkins portal. Jenkins portal. You are in Azure. So they will give you one portal. There is a one ID. Let us verify. Copy and paste it. See, it is asking Jenkins portal. Got it? Yeah. So already Jenkins installation and configuration is done. After login to that, if we have Java application that we have to process here. Let me check. Uh, Jenkins portal, we have to reset the password. For Jenkins, we have separate username and password that you have to do that. So after creating it, very simple, copy this IP address, try to access. Okay. Yeah. The username, I am using same. Let us try. Point infinite of 1, 2, 3, 4. Uh, Go to Copilot. Get user details for Jenkins in Azure. Uh, Maybe actually earlier you should access with our virtual machine credentials only. Giving code. Okay, I am accessing this one. This is the command. See, this is the user ID. Default username and password. This is the user ID and password. Okay. Same thing you can also get it in Azure portal. Go to boot diagnostics. Okay. So it is getting changed. Generally, you can access Jenkins portal with what? What is that, guys? Our user credentials only. Generally, you can access with user credentials itself. Okay. See, in boot diagnostics also they are passing. For me, let me check. Is it appearing for you? Is it appearing, guys? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is appearing, right? Okay. Yeah. Here also you can get Jenkins related details. Controller. It's, they have provided something. setting with this is the one, guys. Okay, so if we go for Divine, if you go for Ubuntu, if you go for CentOS, for every OS install and configure the Jenkins, the process would be changed. The process would be changed. Okay, so this is the user ID. User ID is user password. Let me use it. So this is the Jenkins. Go to here. So username is what? User, just copy and paste it. Okay, yeah, password is this is the password. Copy and paste it. It's not logged. Yeah, see guys. Okay, welcome to Jenkins and use it. Okay, now there is a new item. Here we have to create the item name. My past Java Python project. Okay. This is central feature. Jenkins will build our project, comments come build, and this can be even used for something else. Yeah, main is Jenkins. Okay, here we have to set up, guys. Okay, first we have to enable all the plugins, add, remove, disable, action plugins related to your Java or related to your Jenkins. Okay, first add all these Jenkins. Okay, available Jenkins. See here we have n number of Jenkins. Based on what is that? If you are using any tool in Java, okay, all these plugins are there. Which one you are using, you have to use it. Okay, best example, type Java. See Amazon Web Services SDK. Okay, like develop Azure. Okay, see Azure SDK. Okay, all these add-ins, required add-ins, we have to add it and install. Got it? Clear? So this is the Jenkins application. Now, for example, I am giving Java application. Okay, Java Beans, Java JSON, many add-ins are there. So if I go and use Azure, Azure SDK, okay, highlight, install. There is one option, install it. So after installation, do you want reset the Jenkins server? Yes, please. Okay, here really we required what is that? Java application. Java application you may have maintained in GitHub or something. So the GitHub path you have to mention and install all the plugins and configure it. Okay, so deployment release pipeline here totally different. Okay, so we had one document I will share with you, process it, but that is the old document. It won't work. in new Jenkins portal. The Jenkins portal has been changed last 2 years back, and now Jenkins portal totally it has been changed. The look and feel has been changed. They also implemented some new plugins and total GUI has been changed. Earlier, no, best example, if I click on Jenkins portal, user copy and paste it. Okay, so all these updates available option are all displaying in this location. Now change it as a left side menu. Okay, yeah. Now after installation, see there is install plugin. Okay, these many install plugins are Azure or Azure SDK project we have implemented for Java. From here, click on it. Then you have to integrate what is that Java application that you have to maintain in GitHub. That path you have to mention. Configure the master record, slave record. There is a lot of configuration. Okay, that I will share the document. Try it out from your end, but 100% we require servlet application or Java web-based application. Okay, you know, right? Generally, web-based application in Java we will develop using which language? Servlets. Have you heard about it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Advanced Java and all console. Sorry. Basic Java and all console. Advanced Java servlet EJP. Okay. They are coming under what is that? Web-based. Okay.
Web-based.
Yeah, so the servlet plugins and all install. If you have any servlet application that you have to process. So whatever I said, that is basic. We have
So
many.
from where we can pull GitHub codes?
Yeah. So after going to advanced settings, you have to mention here username, password, proxy configuration. You have to. Okay. Yeah,
Yes,
I will
sir.
share the document. Try it out one time, but it won't be worked out. That also I'm telling. That process will come to know that. Okay. So yeah, this is about overview of Azure DevOps. Forget about Jenkins, guys. My suggestion: people are not using. Totally, if you are going out about open source DevOps, then this tool is mandatory. Okay, if you are going for Azure DevOps, everything they are providing 99%. When you are using Azure DevOps, Jenkins they won't use. Okay, wantedly, if some clients still, I don't deny the statement, wantedly some clients as it is open source, no cost, if Java people, they are still using Jenkins. Okay. So this is about total Azure. Okay, so only one thing I am expecting from you, you need to practice.